Alright, this is the ESTHELLO small bathroom storage cabinet. Let's see what we got here. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. 17 inches right here by 7 inches. Let's check it out. Let's try and assemble this thing with no instructions. Oh, there's the instructions. Okay. I guess some of these screws are for hanging them to the wall and some are for reinforcing the product once we get it all put together. Well, serrated edge toilet paper dispenser, and it closes down. Look at that. Yeah, so all these parts are numbered. 2, 3, and 4 snapped together with 2 in the back. Alright. There's 2. 3 goes in there. So you line these holes up right here. So let's do that. Number 1. Alright, halfway that we're getting there. Number 5 is the door. You got pins on either end of this. Sit that pin in there. That's going to go up there, I assume, and we're going to use the other number 1 right here, right? Yeah? Nice. All right, there's one side, 2 sides. Get the door, put it in there. There it is. Look what I did. Pretty cool. A couple of punch-out holes here if you're going to hang them on the wall. Now we got 6, 7, and 8. As long as you line the numbers up the right way, you're good to go. As long as your numbers are right side up. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Goes on top of here. Look at that. Alright. The door, we need the door, which is number 9. Here it is. Doing this all in order. 12 goes on top. Okay, there it is. Had to make sure everything was all lined up. Now we got this guy in here. Look at that. That's a toilet paper dispenser? Is that what this is for? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. So you got a toilet paper roll dispenser right here if you wanted. Run your toilet paper through there. That's pretty cool. What's number 13 for? There's 3 notches that line up on here. You just kind of line them up. There you go. You can put it there. I suppose you could put it here too if I wanted to. Can I? Yeah. Alright, 13's a shelf. I did it. I assembled it. So if we wanted to on the bottom right here, there are 4 pads that you can attach with adhesive. There's plenty of anchors and such to hang it on the wall if that's what you want to do. Or you can adhesive it to the wall right here too. On the back, you're just going to punch these holes out right here. Punch, 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 punch. And you can hang it up on your wall. That was pretty easy. I did this whole thing in about 7 minutes. Also, there's some screws in here you can take and enter into the various screw points around here before you install it in your bathroom. And pretty cool. You got yourself a nice toilet paper dispenser, paper towel holder, cleaning supplies, whatever you want to put in there. Book, your phone, whatever stuff you take into the bathroom with you. But check it out, the ESTHELLO small bathroom storage freestanding toilet paper holder stand. Awesome. It was pretty easy. Check it out. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it would actually look like in this is a small bathroom. All right, so once this thing is fully assembled, it is going to be basically 23, 24 inches long by 6 inches wide. 6 by 24. That's actually kind of cool. The ESTHELLO bathroom toilet paper storage container. I like this thing.